How to change Facebook profile link. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Facebook application right here. And once inside, you want to navigate through the profile section. You can go ahead and do that by clicking on the menu icon right here. Now, once inside your profile, you can just go ahead and click on the gear icon, which will go ahead and take us to our settings. Inside the settings and privacy, click on see more in account center. Click on profile, and you want to go ahead and choose your Facebook profile. Now, right after that, you can just go ahead and click on username, and from here you will be able to change the URL for your Facebook account. So for example, I have my Facebook right here, so you want to go ahead and click on it, and inside we have the URL of our Facebook. Changing your username will also change your Facebook profile URL at facebook.com/your username. So I have this username right here. If I go ahead and click on my profile at the Facebook profile right here, you will then go ahead and see the URL of my account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.